Question I get so much from policyholders and from other public adjusters and from contractors is, of course, how much do you think I'm going to get? What do you expect we're going to get for this claim? How much do you think this claim is worth? It's such a loaded question, but I'm going to do my best in this video to explain to you exactly how much you can get on your insurance claim. Let's get it going in 3, 2, 1. What's up, advocates? Welcome back to another episode of the Commercial Claims Show. My name is Vince Perry, owner and CEO of Elite Resolutions, a public adjusting firm. And today we are going to answer one of the biggest questions, one of the most asked questions, one of the questions that I get every time I walk into a house or anytime I talk to a public adjuster or anytime I talk to a contractor is, how much is this claim going to be worth? I don't know. We don't know what's going to happen. We haven't put an estimate together yet. We haven't negotiated with the insurance company yet. We don't even know if we can get coverage. That's step one. But of course, you want to know how much it's going to be worth. So, listen up, advocates. Whether you're a public adjuster, contractor, or an attorney, if you have a client that has suffered any kind of catastrophic loss, whether that be by fire or storm or just any catastrophic loss that requires your client to have to move out and incur ALE and loss of use coverage, you need to think about looking at Black Diamond Services. This is an incredible idea for a service that I think is extremely valuable, and I've actually personally used for my clients myself. Basically, what they do is they provide all of the necessary money that is needed to be done for the homeowner to go and move to another place, whether that be a hotel or another home or whatever it is. They basically bill through their insurance policy's loss of use coverage, and basically they provide financial assistance so that the insured never has to incur any out-of-pocket expenses. It's an amazing service. I love the people at Black Diamond Services, especially Millie Varela. If you just contact her and contact Black Diamond Services, I'm telling you, they're going to take care of your clients like you wouldn't believe. I personally have a client who suffered a fire damage and had to use their ALE coverage, and all we did was refer them to Black Diamond. Our clients did not have to come out of pocket a single penny. Black Diamond provided all of the financial money, and they provided the actual location for the homeowner to stay. Amazing service. Contact Black Diamond Services today so you could find out more information for yourself. We can get right to it. I can give you the best answer that possible. And honestly, I'm going to get right to the meat and bones of this. Before I get into the fact that it's, you never know, this depends on the claim. It depends on the kind of materials that you're using. It depends on whether you're writing the interior or the exterior. Before I even get into the fact that if it's roof, it could be different. If it's a floor, it could be different. If there's cabinets involved, it could be different. Before I get into any of that, let me tell you what our average was. So our average last year in 2021, our average claim was $40,000. So that's it. Video's done, right? All right, over. Cut it. No. $40,000 was our average claim. That was, I believe there was, I don't know, like 300 or so. No, not 300. There was like 100 and something or 200 claims or so. And the average claim, when we average it all out on our Excel spreadsheet, was approximately, I think, 41,000 something was the average claim. Those are roof claims, those are interior claims, those are all kinds of claims. I would say that's pretty accurate. Anywhere between 35, 40,000, the actual settlement amount. The average was, this is before deductible and anything like that, was approximately $40,000. So that should answer your question. So if you're a homeowner watching this video and you've got some damage to your wood flooring, and your wood flooring is throughout the entire home, and you might have some cabinet damage, you're looking at about a $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 loss. If you have roof damage to your home and you have like a 2,000 square foot house or so, and you've got shingle roof, you're probably going to be in the high teens or in the 20s, depending on if there's interior damage or not. For the most part, that's sort of where they go, you know. Now, prices fluctuate too, right? So prices right now, inflation is pretty high. So price of materials has gone up. Luckily, in Xactimate, which is what most adjusters use, that's updated pretty frequently. And every time you open up the software, you update the price list. And obviously that goes up. So one thing we do as a public adjusting firm is before we act, if the claim has been dragging on for a while, we're into like 6 months or maybe in a year or so, when the negotiation really starts to get heated, we actually like to update our estimate with the new price list. Because if this claim has been going on for a year and now we're about to settle the claim, but we based it off what we did initially a year ago and inflation has occurred and prices have gone up, it's pretty simple. We just go right back in there and we just sort of reload it with the new prices that they have, because once this claim gets paid, they're not going to be paying based on old prices. They're going to be paying based on new prices. And we want to make sure that's updated in our negotiation. So, again, if you're a policyholder and you have a public adjuster, make sure if your claim has been going on for a while, that price does get updated. And same goes for you public adjusters. It's more money in your client's pockets and in your pocket if you do update it. It may not be a huge difference, but I think it's still a good thing for you to do upon negotiating. And that's pretty much it. Most of the claims you're going to get, I always tell public adjusters, and I will tell policyholders as well, if the floor is not included, if the cabinets aren't included, and if the roof is not included, if any of these three things are not included in your build back and what you need to do for repairs, I probably wouldn't bother even filing a claim. If your floor isn't continuous throughout the whole house and it's just secluded to just one room, may not be worth it to file an insurance claim. Remember that although I'm telling you the average is $40,000, if you decided to go the cheap route on an insurance policy that has a high deductible, if it's a $5,000 deductible, now you're only receiving $35,000 and a $40,000 loss. But if you have a lower of a loss of like $15,000, now you're only receiving 10 of the 15 that you are owed. And that's because of the policy that you paid for with the amount of the deductible. Most policies that I've seen range anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 deductible, but I've seen up to $10,000 deductibles that could really just really shoot you in the foot when you're trying to get the money you need to put your home back together again, and then you end up blaming the public adjuster for not getting enough money, or you even end up blaming the insurance company when you had a huge deductible. So, keep an eye out for that. Also, like I said in the beginning of the video, forget the fact that you want to know how much you're going to end up getting. Step one is just getting coverage for the actual insurance claim. That's more important than anything else. We always inform our clients that goal number one, if we are involved from the beginning, is to get $1. Once they pay $1, the insurance company has agreed that this is a covered loss and that they are willing to basically work with you depending on how much it costs to do the actual repairs. So if they give you $1 and you think it's $10,000, you take that dollar and then you show them facts, estimates, invoices, proposals, whatever you need to show them on why it actually is going to cost $10,000. The insurance company will reevaluate the loss, provide maybe a reinspection, and probably come to an agreement with you for a lot more than what that $1 was. Okay? But the goal in the beginning is not to get the $10,000. The goal in the beginning is to get the dollar, is to get coverage. And the way you do that, I've explained before, is just provide all the documentation, provide all the evidence that the insurance company needs to make the best possible decision to ultimately pay your claim. But that's the answer. Our average was $40,000. You're going to range anywhere between $25,000 to $60,000 on your average claim. Larger losses, these are just homeowners. The beauty about this business is $1 million to $10 million losses that we have worked at our firm at Elite Resolutions that, require a lot more work. But, it's another video for another day. So that's it, guys. That's how much money that you could expect from your insurance claim settlement, to be exact. Remember, my name is Vince Perry. I am the Commercial Claims Advocate. My company is Elite Resolutions, a public adjusting firm. If you want more information on our firm, go to EliteResolutions.com where you can see all of the services that we provide. And if you're interested in coming to work as a public adjuster at our firm, please reach out, send us an email, send us a message, or hit me up anywhere, and we'll be happy to send you an application. And also, CommercialClaimsAdvocate.com. If you're a public adjuster or a contractor or an attorney or a homeowner interested in this occupation, you're going to want to go on CommercialClaimsAdvocate.com. You're going to want to take a look at all of our online resources. We've got this ebook for sale, and we've also got an online course that you could purchase and you could download and watch. We've got every 3 months, we do an online workshop, 2-day live workshop with me and one of my coaches. And frankly, it's a really great experience. It's a really great job. I love it, but you're going to want to educate yourself. So you're going to want to go on CommercialClaimsAdvocate.com to take advantage of all of the online resources that we have there to better your career as a public adjuster. And that's what we got, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope that was educational. Please feel free to comment below. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel because we've got videos coming out all the time. And also follow me on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn. And that's all I've got. Thank you guys very much. Have yourself an amazing week. We'll see you later. Peace out.